Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 6. Its title is Story of a Wheat Plant. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn use of article. Before this, in English for grade 2, I have already taught you use of article. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to choose between a or an as indefinite articles and recall and apply the rules for the use of a, an and the. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah Al-Baqarah verse 2. This is the book. There is no doubt about it. A guide for those mindful of Allah. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse tells us. This is the book. Which book we are talking about? Yes, Quran, the book. This is Quran in which there is no doubt. Every word of Quran is haq and such. That's why there is no doubt in it, and it is a guide for the people who are mindful of Allah. So, Alhamdulillah, this is a guidance for whom? For all of us, Alhamdulillah, because we are mindful of Allah. Yes, my dear students. So, have you start reciting Quran? You are learning Tajweed? Very good. Beta, we should recite Quran every day because this is the book Allah has given us. Alhamdulillah. Now, my dear students, I want you to look at this word, the. Why we have used it over here. So let's learn it today. First, you tell me what are indefinite articles and what is definite article. Do you know the answers of this question? Pause the video, answer these questions and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you could answer correctly that indefinite articles are a and an. These two are indefinite articles, and definite article is the. The is definite article. Today we are going to learn how to use these articles. So the indefinite article, and what does it mean? A or an, is used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known. Okay? We can use a or an means indefinite article with a noun. And what is noun, by the way? Yes, everything around us which we can feel, hold, touch or see has a name, and that naming word is known as noun. Very good. So whenever we are writing or we are talking about a noun, we can use indefinite article a or an. In what situation? When its identity is not known or the noun is a general noun. Okay? How? A line means a line. It refers to any line or it refers to every line. That's why we have used this article a. And an alligator. And here also tell me why a line and an alligator, because this noun starts with a consonant sound, and when a noun is starting with a consonant sound and it is general, a noun starting with a consonant sound and it is general, we use a, and a noun starting with the vowel sound and it is also a general, we use an. When I say an alligator, why an? Because alligator is starting with a vowel sound and it refers to any alligator, right? Okay, this is, we have learnt about it. So when I say this is a chair, it also refers to one singular noun. A chair means one chair. This is a chair and it is general, any chair. This is a chair. Okay, there is no specification about this chair. That's why I have used article A. Give me a chair, please. It means give me one chair, and that can be any, general, right? This is how we use it. Likewise, he is an astronaut. And why an? Again, astronaut is starting with a vowel sound, and he is one astronaut because he is one, that's why an astronaut. And an astronaut is trained for space flight. Now this is referring to us. An astronaut means whoever is an astronaut, he is trained for space. Now, do you understand how we use an? Okay. The next is the definite article, the. And when do we use it? The is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. Means it makes it a specific noun. When I mention though, it means I'm not talking about general noun, I'm talking about a specific noun. How does it make a difference? Look at this. As I told you, this is a chair. It means it is a chair. That's a simple, any chair. And when I say give me the chair, it means the chair I'm talking about, the one, maybe I'm pointing to the one that is placed. So when I say give me the chair, it means you and me, we both know which chair we are talking about. So its identity is known to the speaker and the listener, or to the writer and the reader. Do you understand? This is how, that's why we call it definite noun. Understand it? Okay, so let's practice it through an activity. Now we have learned all three nouns, all three articles A and the. So we are going to practice it. What the activity is, teacher will take 3 students and will assign one article to one student. Article A to one and to other, and the to third child, like this. A and the, all right? Now teacher will say a noun and will ask the student sitting on the right corner of first row to come and join the relevant article. And why we are starting from right side? Because it is a beautiful sunnah of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to start every work from right side. So teacher will say a noun and will ask the first student who is sitting in the first row of right corner to come and join the relevant article. The student will go to the relevant article and will say aloud the article, for example, the earth and empire. Teacher will perform this activity with every student of the class one by one. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy this beautiful activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now let's practice it from your book. Complete the sentences by using a or an. So we are going to use only indefinite articles. And here, my dear fellow teachers, I'm going to make an announcement. In sentence C, this word hour is used, but it is with mute consonant, which we have not taught to our children yet. That's why you can replace this word maybe with day. Okay, and inshallah in our next edition you will find this corrected one. So pause the video, my dear students. You will keep the use of a and an in your mind and complete this exercise. Pause the video, complete this exercise in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. I know it was very easy for you. Okay, so it's time for your homework. You will use articles in your sentences. And I'm giving you a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly give a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, you will use a, an, or the wherever it's needed in these small paragraphs to complete this worksheet. So in this way, what we have learned today, we learned that a and an are indefinite articles, and we learned that the is a definite article, and we use article the with particular naming words. And we practice the use of articles. So in this way, we achieved our SLOs to choose between a or an as indefinite articles, and recall and apply the rules of use of a an, and the. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.